everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode in our McLaren 765LT Spider series. Now, in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 5 things I love about this car right behind me, which makes it just stand out so much in the entire model lineup. As you can see right here with this view, it looks honestly spectacular. And I cannot wait to share with you the 5 most amazing things I've learned about this car. Now, come on, obviously, if you get a car like this, you've got to take it out here to the canyons. Now, I know not everyone goes to the racetrack, and that's perfectly acceptable. That's so okay. But at the same time, when you buy a track car, a super performer like this beast right behind me, you got to use it for what it's meant for to a certain degree, so you realize why it costs so much money and why it's so special. Anyways, though, to start off today's video, the first thing I want to point out of what is just amazing to me, what I love about this car, the first thing is going to be the noises, the turbo sounds, the entire emotional thrill and adrenaline pumping experience that you get with taking the top down in a McLaren 765LT. Now, I drove the 765LT coupe on this road. It was an amazing car. The owner of that vehicle is a super cool guy. Hopping inside this, I've realized that, oh my gosh, that same car is so next level with the top down. It sounds like a race car. Yeah, it's got the McLaren vibe. When you go into 7th gear, it gets super quiet and it kind of, not droney, but the pitch goes down low. But when you wind out the RPM in the 765LT Spider and you downshift, you get an amazing poppin' crackle. And then when you get on power and upshift at the right RPM, it'll give you a whiplash sounding effect towards the back. And it echoes through the entire chamber of the cabin that you can see right in front of us. These P1 seats feel absolutely amazing, by the way. Anyways, so back to the point, you can even raise the top up and then just lower this back window right here so you can have the pure adrenaline pumping noise experience right behind you with no wind hitting you in the face. Therefore, you don't have to dilute the experience at all from wind. Let me play a few clips for you to show you exactly what I'm talking about, the noises this car makes. And it's all with the air flying over your head, over your hair if you're not wearing a hat like me right now. The experience itself, it's just, this car, the performance is, it gets right up next to the Senna. There is no supercar in the market that can go as fast as this car can go around the racetrack. And having such a versatile car, it makes it extremely special. It can do everything well. It's a jack of all trades, and it's also a master at all of them. The second most amazing thing I love about the 765LT Spider is this active spoiler in the back. Now, depending on what setting you have it on, it'll raise and stay raised throughout when you're driving. So you see this angle of attack right here? You can drive around town with the spoiler, giving you maximum force of downforce in the back. And that is all by hitting on the active setting and then clicking arrow through the main cockpit right there. So imagine driving around town having the maximum angle of attack, mean aggressive look for your 765LT. Just make sure if you're driving like that, you gotta have the front lip down so that you don't look completely, you don't know what you're doing. Anyways, so look at that stance. So you can park your car in your garage, leave it, or drive around the street again and have everyone check out just how cool and advanced your car is. It reminds me so much of like the P1. With that being said, not just that, the spoiler itself actually is more aggressive than the standard 765 with the angle of attack. So if you look at other photos online of the coupe versions, it's not going to look as aggressive as this, which makes this car again stand out. It makes a statement, and just look again, look how cool that looks. It completely blinds you with the back mirror, as you can see, maybe from that angle right there. I'll show you. The third thing I love about this car are the floating buttresses finished in a clear, lightweight glass. So yes, they are saving weight with it, but coming this way, look at the airflow design with this flying buttress right here. The air gets grabbed, it goes straight through here and out the back, producing an aerodynamic effect to improve stability, and that is what I love about the vehicle. It's just so unique, and with all the carbon fiber, it really allows this car to just pop top. The next thing on the list are the brakes. These are no ordinary carbon ceramic brakes. This car in particular has a track brake upgrade, and what exactly does that mean? Well, if you look closely, of course they're carbon ceramic as you would expect with this tier, this level of a car, but this car actually has the Senna brakes, which give it such an insane level of braking performance. It's not the most like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna give you whiplash and you barely touch the pedal, that kind of effect. It's an effect where when you push harder and harder down, the braking G's you experience and the level of deceleration improves dramatically, but it's also progressive where it gives you driver feedback to the point where you don't think that you're gonna over brake for a corner. You can finally modulate and trail brake in to lower, to decelerate your speed to maximize corner entry. That's what makes this braking system so special. It's smooth, it's polished out, and then for overall lap performance, you shouldn't be experiencing any brake fade. All the tracks I've been seeing with this car, it's been putting down unbelievable lap times. The question is though, are these brakes worth $18,000? I'll leave that up to you to decide. In my opinion, I'd go for them. However, I'm a bit concerned about how much it would cost to maintain and replace them over time. I would love to find that out, and if you know, please let us know in the comment section down below. Lastly, it's the carbon fiber. Look how beautiful this car looks in the sunlight with all the exposed carbon fiber everywhere, even above where the hardtop convertible goes, and then you even have your speaker system blended in to the carbon fiber right behind you. Coming this way, zooming in, you can see the carbon fiber from the tub going over the A-pillar from the inside. It's shocking to see. Now, I'm not just trying to gloat over all the appearance pieces, right? That's not what they're trying to do here. The carbon that you see on this car is here for a reason. It weighs 170 pounds lighter than a standard 720. It's close to 3,000 pounds. And with that being said, even though you can see exposed carbon fiber, well, it's not just there for the looks. All these pieces help to lower weight throughout the vehicle. Even coming over here, you look at these exposed carbon fiber louvers. Well, guess what? This entire fender is carbon fiber. There's so much carbon on this car that even goes to the structure of the vehicle. Check this out. You can actually see the carbon fiber tub finishing this raw carbon look all over the place. This vehicle, it's all about maintaining weight savings and being as rigid as possible. Even the floor has that exposed carbon fiber look. What I'm trying to say is that the carbon fiber that is incorporated into this vehicle transforms it. The performance you get out of it, having 755 horsepower, that's the weird spoiler, it's in maximum aero mode. That popping always throws me off. That loud, blunt noise. That's the spoiler doing its magic. That's exactly why I love it. Please let me know your thoughts on the top 5 best things with the 765LT. If I were to be more broad and not like point out specific features, I'd say that the handling is next level, and the way the car is able to be balanced in terms of the speed you're able to take with momentum, it just blows my mind. The car is confidence inspiring. It definitely is. But in this video, I want to try to pinpoint exact upgrade features that kind of are a big deal. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button to help me out, and subscribe for much more great videos coming out your way. And let's do some last few pulls to finish off this video. Listen to the sounds. See you in the next one.